Want to check who hasn't accepted your LinkedIn connection request yet? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to find all your sent invites in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to linkedin.com and sign into your account. Step 2. At the top menu, click on My Network to open your invitations and suggestions. Step 3. Inside the Invitations section, click Show All to see more details. Step 4. On the next page, you'll see two tabs, Received and Sent. Click Sent to view all your pending connection requests. Next to the name of everyone you've sent a request to, there's a Withdraw button you can click if you want to cancel the invitation. Bonus tip. Withdrawing an old request and resending it later can boost your chances of getting noticed, especially if you've updated your profile since. And that's how you find your sent connection requests on LinkedIn. Stay on top of your networking game by managing your invites regularly, and don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor for more smart shortcuts like this. See you next time!